afternoon, everyone, especially visitors, and welcome to our J4 Assembly. We will be sharing some of our RME learning with you today. First of all, let's make sure we all know what RME means.
RME is religious moral education, so we learn about people's faith and beliefs, special places of worship and things like that. We also learn how to respect someone else's point of view if they don't believe the same things as we believe.
Moral education means we learn the difference between right and wrong, what's fair or unfair, how to treat others and show compassion, tolerance, kindness, and all the other lovely things that make us feel safe, happy and appreciated.
At the start of J4, we learned about the Lord's Prayer. This was a prayer that Jesus taught his disciples. He used a drama to help us understand what the prayer meant.
Our Father who is in heaven.
Yes?
Don't interrupt me, I'm praying. Our Father who is in heaven.
There, you did it again.
Did what? I told you I'm praying.
You called me, so I answered.
Called you. That's you. Are you actually listening?
Of course, now, keep on going.
Our Father who is in heaven, hallowed be your name.
Do you even know what that means?
Of course it means
holy, special. It means treated with respect.
That makes sense. Our Father who is in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven.
Do you really mean that?
Yes, I think it would be great if you were in charge of things here.
Well, what about you? Am I in charge of you?
Yes, well, most of the time, or some of the time. Okay, I admit I could do better with that.
Okay, I can help with that. Keep going.
Our Father who's in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread and...
Do you know the next part?
Yes, but I'm afraid to say it. I think I know what you will say.
Go on then.
Forgive us as we forgive others.
And what about your sister?
See, I knew you would bring that up. You have no idea what she did to me. I'm going to get her back.
That's not forgiveness. You need to let that go. I forgive you, so you need to forgive her.
Oh, that's not going to be easy.
I will help. Now, carry on.
Our Father who's in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread and forgive us as we forgive others. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil.
You can answer that part for yourself. You chose where you will go and who you will spend time with, and what you want and what you say. Sometimes you put yourself right beside temptation. Be wise.
Okay, I promise to try. Let's finish. Our Father who's in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread and forgive us as we forgive others. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For yours is the kingdom, the power and the glory, and the glory forever and ever. Amen.
Well done. I'm glad we had this talk.
Me too. Good night, God.
Good night, my precious child.
Thank you, Lexi and Marcus. Now we would like to do a song for you. We will be working in our house teams. You should join them.
Hey guys, we're going to do a song now called Going on a Journey. So we're each going to choose a type of transport to go on our journey. think I'm going to choose riding a horse. What are you going to choose, Rach?
I'm going to choose doing on train.
Cool. What about you, Tom?
I think I'll be a plane.
Finding out about the heroes of the Bible, like Moses. Here's a drama to help us understand.
When he was a baby in Egypt, Moses has been hidden in the river Nile to protect him from a wicked Pharaoh who wanted to kill him and all Israelite boys.
His mum had hidden him, and his sister Miriam had watched over him. But Pharaoh's daughter had found him and raised him in the palace as a prince. When he was a young man, he did something terrible and ran away to keep off trouble.
But God was watching and knew where he was. He made contact with him in a very unusual way.
A burning bush? It must be very hot today. Wait a minute. The bush is on fire, but it's not burning.
Moses Moses, I want you to go to Pharaoh and tell him to set my people free.
I can't. That's too hard. You're not brave or special. Send someone else.
You are the one. Take your brother Aaron with you. He will help you.
So Moses and Aaron went to Egypt and asked Pharaoh to let God's people go. But Pharaoh said,
No way. They're my slaves. I'm keeping them to do my work.
This went on for quite some time, and the troubles in Egypt got worse each time. The people had to suffer.
Blood in the water supply, floods everywhere, gnats worse than veggies, flies, dead cattle, boils on everyone's skin, dry hailstones, darkness,
But God was in it all and his people did go free. That is a horror story. Well done, everybody. Let's all stand together to sing one of our favourite songs.
When you seek, he's there. When you knock, 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 God opens up the door. When you ask, he cares. When you seek, he's there. When you knock, 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 God opens up the door.
We've also been finding out about some of the miracles Jesus did. Let's watch some of those stories.
One day, Jesus was teaching a crowd of people when an important man came up to him. Please, Jesus, come to my house. I really need you. My daughter is very sick. She's only 12 years old. As Jesus went with the man, everyone was crowding round him and getting in his way. Suddenly he stopped because he could tell something special had happened. Who touched me? I felt the power go out of me. It was me, Jesus. I am so unwell and I've spent all my money on doctors. Nothing has worked. Now I feel well. Thank you. You believed and we know you are healed. Go in peace. Just then, a messenger came from Jairus' house. Don't bother anymore, Jesus. It is too late. Your daughter is dead. Don't worry or be afraid. Believe and she'll be healed. Jesus and his friends, Peter, James and John, went with Jairus to his house. Don't cry and moan and grieve. She is not dead. Get up, child. I'm hungry. Everyone was astonished at this miracle.
One day, Jesus and his friends were traveling around telling people about God's kingdom. Everywhere Jesus went, large crowds followed him. They wanted to hear his teaching and see God's miracles.
Jesus, your friends Mary and Martha need you. Their brother, your friend Lazarus, is very sick.
This sickness will bring glory to God.
Jesus spent 2 more days working in that area before travelling back to Judah to see Mary, Martha and Lazarus. But when they arrived, Lazarus was already dead and buried.
Lord, if you had been here, you could have done something to help. My brother would not have died if you were here.
If I'm the resurrection and the life, whoever believes in me will never die. Do you believe?
Yes, Lord.
Word was sent to Mary to come and join them. Everyone at the house followed her to see what would happen.
Lord, if you had been here, you could have done something to help. My brother would have not have died if you were here.
Show me where he is.
So they went to the tomb of Lazarus.
Lazarus, come out.
To everyone's amazement, the dead man came walking out. He was still wrapped in his grave clothes.
You may let him go.
Now we'd like to finish with a song you've been learning.
I love what he brought me in.
Then we're going to put the words on the screen so you can join in. Now let's finish with a prayer. Dear Lord, thank you for dying for us so that we could be alive. Thank you that we can learn about kindness and how to treat each other. Thank you for stories about your miracles and that you heal people. Please help us to be fair and do things that are right. Sorry for times when we don't respect others. Help us to do that better. Amen.